In this demonstration, we will be using different wavelengths and colors of light and looking at them through the diffraction lens. As I place the diffraction lens in front of the camera, you will want to observe the different colors of light that you see on either side of the diffraction or of the light as you see it through the diffraction lens. So I will place the diffraction lens now in front of the camera, and Mrs. Sarnelli will demonstrate the different colors.
So right now I have a white light emitting from this light bulb, and if you look kind of around the screen to different areas, you should see that there's a separation of colors. And as we talked about in the previous demonstration, the three primary colors of light are red, blue, and green, so those should be the colors that are emphasized the most on the sides of your screens through the diffraction grating lens. As I switch the color to cyan, you might be able to predict which color cyan would be made of. So if I switch it to cyan, you can probably recognize that the blue and the green areas of that spectrum are highlighted a little bit brighter than the red. And if I switch it to the magenta, okay, you should see that the blue and the red are highlighted a little bit more. And then the yellow light coming from the light bulb highlights mostly those green and red wavelengths. So please make sure that you write down some observations in your data table of what you observed coming from the light bulb through the diffraction grating lens that's over the camera right now. For some extra fun, we thought that it would be kind of cool to show you some other colors. So if you just focus on the red light, you can kind of see that red portion highlighted. Just the green light is coming from that green spectrum that's highlighted. And then the blue spectrum is highlighted when there's just a blue light emitted. There's also a strobe on here that kind of filters through some of the different colors. So we thought it'd be cool to show you guys how that spectrum changes as the color emitted from the light bulb changes.